Have you ever dreamed of making money online with no capital? What if I told you your dream is possible? Not only that, but it's even easier than you thought. Hi everyone, my name is Henry Ehis. I've been making money online over a decade now, and I'm going to be walking you through how I've been making money online from home. Right? You might be a student or someone who is looking toward changing your career from just working 9 to 5 to making money online. I'll walk you through the process right now in this video. Let's get into this video ASAP. So guys, I'm going to be exploring incredible ways that you can make money online from home without even thinking about whether you have sufficient capital or not. And these ways are something that you will love to see and love to have and love to implement. So guys, before we go into how you can start making money from home without any capital, let me tell you about a friend of mine. Her name is Sarah. You see, during the COVID-19, her employer had to sack some of the staff. And guess what? Sarah was part of them. So what happened to Sarah? She started working online, helping other creative develop their content. She was a graphic designer. Now, that brings me to step number 1. What you must do for you to start earning online is for you to become a freelancer. You see, she started working with other creative and helping them produce high quality graphic images, and she started making money online. So what happens to freelancers? See, freelancers are those individuals who can work from home, especially with the kind of work that they love, with the project that they are interested in. These guys will work from home and they will be making money. They don't need to invest anything apart from their initial investment of skill, right? They don't need monetary investment in their work for them to make more money. So if you become a freelancer, there is no way you will not make money. And there are a lot of platforms that you can become a freelancer on and start earning money right now. And that is step number 1. Become a freelancer and start providing value to other people on these platforms that I'm going to mention on the comment. So do well to check on the comment. You will see the list of all the freelancing platforms that you can start making money on right now. Let's kick up in number 2. The second way you can make money online from home without even investing a dime of your money is by becoming what I call, no, I don't actually call the name. It's just a name that everybody calls it. Becoming a content creator, right? Let me tell you about Alex. That was a chef. Alex had made a lot of money from just being a chef from home. Alex just sit down like I do and turn up the camera and record every of the steps and processes of his cooking. And now Alex has over 1.7 million subscribers, earning money from YouTube as a full-time content creator. Guys, this might look as if it's a difficult thing to do, but let me tell you the truth. Becoming a content creator has the potential to change your life. And guess what? Yes, you get my point. You don't need to spend a dime to become a content creator. Just carry your phone, turn up the camera and record. And that's it. Point number 3 about how you can make money from home online without spending a dime is for you to become a social media manager. You see, social media managers, they don't need to spend money for them to make money. All they need to do is to know and have the skill of managing someone else's social media campaigns. You see, social media campaigns are those posts that you see every day. Those articles you see on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You have social media managers who will schedule the post of these articles and these videos. And the people who have these particular platforms and this particular brand are paying the social media managers to manage these posts and these campaigns. And these guys make a lot of money without leaving their bedroom. So, third way to make money online without paying or buying something or spending your own capital is by becoming a social media manager. As you can see, these things involve certain amount of investment, but not monetary, only skill. That's why in my videos I always talk about skills and how you can develop skills that can help you make money online. Fourth way you can make money online is by doing what my friend did. His name is David. He is a lecturer. He teaches in university. Now see what happened. David went and started creating courses for university students. Now these students are paying a token to have access to David's high value course. You see, you can start making online tutorials and teaching people about the skill and your expertise. If you do that, see, you're going to make money without even spending money. Like I keep saying, all you need to do, if you can watch this video with your phone or with your laptop, is the same device that you need to create content that people will be learning from. So you can become an online tutorial expert. Go and start making online tutorials on anything that you know how to do. Then people will start watching your content. People can even subscribe a premium to your services. Then you can start making money with this tutorial without even spending a dime of your money. This is how people are making money without spending money on it. Point number 5, how people are making money online from home without spending a dime of their money is by becoming an SEO consultant. Let me ask you, have you ever Googled something on Google? You type how to make money online and you will see certain posts will pop up on Google. First page, second page. From the first search result to the 10th search result, people are actually making that happen. These guys are called SEO experts. So if you know how to rank articles on Google, if you know how to rank articles on YouTube, that is what we call SEO experts, right? People are getting paid to do that for other businesses. So many businesses are making so much money in order for them to help other businesses rank their articles on Google. And they don't need to leave the comfort of their home to get that done. Or they don't even need to invest any amount of money in renting a place, renting a building to have that happen. So SEO consulting is the top number 5 way you can start making money online without even spending a dime of your money. For those of you with background in SEO, do you know that SEO consulting makes a lot of money? This is one of the most lucrative jobs you can do online if you have the skill. I will really suggest you should look into it if you know how to rank any information or any article on Google. This is a very valuable skill. So my point number 6 is how you can start doing one of the most lucrative jobs on the internet. It's called affiliate marketing. You see guys, if you ever order an Uber before, or if you ever get something from Amazon, or if you ever try to buy something in Nigeria from Jumia, these products are other people's product that is being sold by other people. It's called affiliate marketing, where you don't have to have your own product. All you need to do is to get other people's products, package these products in an online platform, and people who need this product will come and buy it from you, and you make commission from this particular product. The good thing about affiliate marketing is this. You see, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you don't even have to have the products available with you physically. All you need to do is to locate affiliate marketing platforms. Affiliate platforms like Digistore24, like ClickBank, and many of these platforms just allow you to make up to 50 to 75% of the commission when you get this product sold. And how do you get this product sold? All you need to do is for you to get the link of this particular product, then go to your friends and family DM and tell them about this product, or even people you don't know. If you want to take it to a new different level, just go set your own platform where you can start advertising this particular product and making a killing from it without investing your capital in buying this product, fulfilling the product. All you need to do is to advertise this product. The owner of this product is going to give you all that you need, even the marketing strategies, even the marketing tools to sell the product, and as well the owner of the product is going to be in charge of delivering the product to those that are buying from your link. You see, this is one of the most lucrative aspects of affiliate marketing, and I love it so much. Number 7 is you joining everything that I've said from beginning to the end. You see, we are in the world where almost everything is virtual. I don't know if you noticed that you can literally do everything and almost everything. Let me say almost everything from home, right? So just imagine if you are able to gather different kind of services or different kind of talents, ideas, plans, skill that you have, package them as an online service and provide it to people who need this particular value. Would you be making money? See, number 7 is packaging whatever skill you have as a virtual service. It can be singing ability, it can be ability to make a website, it can be ability to be a graphic designer. All you need to do is to package them in any of the ways that I've mentioned earlier and sell them as a service online. When you do that, you'll be able to start generating income. But let me tell you something, there's a caveat here. All the steps I mentioned, these are not gimmicks, right? They are not get rich quick kind of business model. These are legitimate way people make money online, even without spending money, but they are spending something that is even valuable: their skill, their time, their talent, and their abilities. So if you've got any ability, my encouragement to you is this: don't sit and wait for somebody to come employ you with these abilities. Start to look for ways that you can package them as a virtual service. You can start by doing it for free. Then before you know it, you start to provide that as a service as a value that people can start paying for. And that is number 7. Guys, if you begin to look into this in the next year that we're entering, I'm sure you will start to make so much money than you can think of when it comes to making money online. So many times, guys, I have done this so many times, and all my businesses run basically online, majority of them, and that is how I make my own money. Now that you have been armed with these 7 tools that you can start making money, guys, let me tell you something that you can do next. See, I have a video called Freelancing How-To Guide. In this guide, I show you various skills and I go in detail on how you can start leveraging other tools, right, to start becoming a complete freelancer. If you click on the thumbnail, you'll be able to see this video and you will start using all my instructions on how to become a freelancer, from using Canva to using Upwork to using Fiverr to start your freelancing business.